today? Okay, can you tell me how old are you? Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, for today's activity, I am going to tell you the name of the shape and you should pick it up, okay? Okay, are you ready? Yes or no? I can't hear you. Loud your voice. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, well done. Okay, I am going to tell you the name of the shape, okay? And you should pick it up, okay? You should pick it up. Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Pick up triangle. Well done. Okay, pick up square. Which one is square? Excellent. Burwa, where is square? Where is square? Excellent, Burwa. Okay, go to circle. Which one is circle? Which one is circle? Pick it up. Pick it up. Show me. Well done. Okay, triangle. Which one is triangle? Excellent. Excellent. Clap for them. Clap for them. Go to your place. Thank you. Thank you, Hamad. Pick up circle. Circle. Well done. Pick up triangle. Triangle. Which one is triangle? Excellent. Which one is square? Square. Square. Well done. Excellent. Thank you. Which one is rectangle? Rectangle. Which one is rectangle? Rectangle. Okay. Good job. Well done. Clap for them. Clap. Go to your place. Thank you. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Pick up circle. Which one is circle? Well done. Pick up square. Which one is square? Okay. Which one is triangle? Triangle. Good job. Okay. Choose rectangle. Which one is rectangle? Well done. Great. Clap for them. Clap it. Thank you. Go to your place.